So we've got pretty much the same code. We're going to try this a little bit differently just to see what happens. We're going to say hello world. We're going to say void onPressed. And this is where we're going to deviate a little bit here. We're going to say string value. And in here, we're going to set state. In the state, we're going to say value equals the value. So we're setting our private value to this function value. Down here is where things are going to get a little interesting. Hot reload should have picked that up. Oh, it has stopped. Let's run that again, see what happened here. Unfortunately, that's one of the issues with mobile development is sometimes things don't go the way you expect them. So while that's going, I'm just going to continue typing. All right, let's see if the emulator's up. So the emulator's up. It doesn't have the last changes that I put on. If I hit save, hot reload should take over. It's grayed out because onPress is null. This is where things get a little tricky. Just going to say hello and my name. You notice how suddenly it says the expression here is a type void and therefore cannot be used. What is going on there? Well, what's going on is we need an actual function to pass it to. So we're going to make an anonymous function that simply returns the onPressed with hello. Therefore, we're actually returning a function into that. Remember in Dart, functions are objects as well. So now suddenly this works as expected.